Sell your home hassle-free. Selling a property in California can often be a daunting task, especially when faced with the traditional real estate process that includes repairs, staging, and lengthy negotiations. However, Nanda Realty offers an ideal solution for homeowners looking to sell their property with ease and efficiency. Specializing in as-is home purchases, Nanda Realty eliminates the stress of repairs and renovations, allowing you to move forward without the usual hassles. With Nanda Realty, you can enjoy the benefits of an all-cash offer that ensures a swift and secure transaction. We understand the urgency many homeowners face and are committed to closing deals within just 10 days. This speedy process is perfect for those who need to sell quickly due to relocation, financial pressures, or simply wanting to move on to the next chapter in their life. Unlike traditional real estate transactions, there are no agent fees or commissions involved when you sell your home to Nanda Realty. This means you get to keep more of your money and avoid the complexities of listing your property on the open market. Our team is dedicated to providing a seamless experience, ensuring you feel supported and informed throughout the entire selling process. If you are a California homeowner looking to sell your property without the stress and delays of repairs, look no further than Nanda Realty. We are here to provide you with a straightforward, no-hassle solution that meets your needs. Contact us today at 61980 Nanda or visit our website at nandarealty.com to learn more about how we can help you achieve your real estate goals swiftly and efficiently.